Waiter, hi, welcome. We like to make sure our customer is satisfied here at StoriesWorld. Customer, yeah, that's fine and dandy, but I don't care. Can I get a Coke? Waiter, oh, is Pepsi okay? Customer, you know what, I'll just get a burger. Waiter, ribs okay? Customer, just tell me where the restroom is. Waiter, is bathroom okay? Customer, whatever, just tell me where it is. Waiter, okay, you are going to take a left and the bathroom is on the right. Unless you are sitting on the left side, then the men's room is on the left and the bathroom is on the right. Customer, let me speak to your manager. Waiter, supervisor okay? Supervisor, is there a problem, sir? Customer, yes, this waiter has really been annoying me. Waiter, is pestering okay? Customer, see, he won't give me what I want. Waiter, is what you need okay? Customer, see? Supervisor, I can't see, but I have examined your perspective. Customer, I have been completely unsatisfied. Supervisor, that is unacceptable, here at StoriesWorld Tuesday. Customer, wait, I thought this was StoriesWorld Fridays. Supervisor, oh no, we are their spin-off StoriesWorld Tuesdays. Customer, okay, I'll just go to Olive Garden. Waiter, is Sizzler okay? Customer, you know what, yes it is okay. Waiter, oh sorry, it's closed. Customer, screams, I can't take it anymore. I can't have Coke, I have to have Pepsi. I can't have a burger, I have to have ribs. I can't use the bathroom, I have to use the men's room. I can't even talk to the manager, I have to settle for a supervisor. Supervisor, hey, I'm right here. Customer, I don't care anymore, I just want to eat. I'm going to McDonald's. Waiter, is Burger King okay? Customer, no.